Hi everyone, this is Aaron with Crypto Trends. Today is September 22nd, 2018. Doing a quick video on XRP. Is she going to blow? Let's go take a look. But first, please keep in mind that this is not financial advice, just my opinion. So let's go see what I'm talking about here. Yeah, I'm recording. Great. All right, this is the 1 hour on Binance for XRP. Let me go ahead and expand this chart out. And as we can see, yeah, two big pumps here. Yeah, great. And right now, we have a classical decision point to where things are basically, it's got to go someplace, right? It's got to break out somewhere. It's either got to like break out of this triangle and go up or go down. And so we'll see which one it goes, but it's getting really close to whoever it's getting close. It needs to make a decision here. And so I'd like to hear your opinions of which way you think it's going to go. And let me go here. So yeah, if we look at this, and let me get rid of that chart. Not used to charting here. This is on Binance. But anyway, here we go. If we look at that, I mean, there you go. Which way does it go? It's looking really, really close. Let's go here to the, this is on the 1 hour and it's on the logarithmic. Let's go to, why not? Let's go to the 15-minute here. It's getting really close, right? All right, so it's jumping up and lo and behold, it's kind of going up a little bit. So we'll see which way is this thing going. Energetic-wise, there is a, let's put it this way, it's two schools energy-wise. First school is everyone out there, they want this thing to go up. You know, there's a ton of people out there who just absolutely adore XRP. And I am an XRP holder, okay? And so that's one school. They love XRP. They love it. They, you know, and then there's others that are still in the same school where they hate XRP. They hate it. Anyway, the school is the retail investor. The other school is the market maker. And with that, I mean these guys here where I am just tracing out those big old spike candles, right? This is the market maker. And so we need to see which, you know, what is this person thinking? From my experience in the past and getting into the energy of the market makers, what they do is that they invest money. You often see slow bleeds, okay, pumping more up, get people more excited, try to get more people in, slow bleed, do the same thing. They're looking for any type of, they're testing, okay, they're testing the waters. And then what they do is, let me see if this works here. And that's not a very good line. Let me make a, trying to draw a big fat line here. Don't want that. Go right about here. Okay, that's not working so great on TradingView on Binance, but on the other one I hit Alt-H and it's supposed to draw a line. Okay, let me go back to here. I'll draw a trend line. Try to make it straight. Let me color that different color. Let me color it red. Okay, so what is this? Well, when you see a big spike, they do all this stuff. They're scalping. They're getting money. They're figuring out the interest in the market and so on and so forth. If it goes way up organically, they're loving it. And so on and so forth. So right now what we're looking at is, if you can look at this pattern here, I'll show you. If you look at this point right here and this point right here, that's the standard kind of box pattern. Kind of like that, okay? And then here's another one. If you can see that. Let me erase those. It's getting messy there. And then here's another one. A little tiny one. And these are like the algorithms, okay? These are like the algorithms, but they're programmed by somebody. Their settings are set by somebody. Anyway, what we have here is another one. Oh, look. So where does this one need to go to close? You see how this one went down and then it went up to close? This one went down, and then if it went down even further like that, it like doesn't close its loop programmatically, so it goes up and then it says, okay, now I'm done, I can go ahead and switch. And that's because well, I'm not going to say why. I know why, but I'm not going to say why. Anyway, it's a programming thing, okay, and it'll take me forever to explain. Let's put it that way. But anyway, so we have this spike here, and it needs to close somewhat close to the amount put in. The amount needs to be taken out, if not more. So what I'm looking for is a bloop, a pretty big downward spike. And so we'll see where that happens. Let's go ahead and change Mr. Color here. Yeah, what you call color green. And so that's what I'm looking for. So pretty big spike, but keep in mind, once it hits down in this area, that's what I'm looking at. If you notice here, we can also go way down to here as well. Okay, down to this area, and that would close this one. That would close that right there. And so that would be like the big one. So like way maybe over here in that time frame where it hit down there. But it could go here, and that's kind of like what I'm expecting right now instead of a jump up. And that's because look at the volumes here. Look at the volumes. What do we have? It's going down to nil. If it was going up like this and was increasing, I'd change my story. But going down to nil, to me, it looks like it's going to take a dump and go down to see how many sellers are left in the market. It might even go all the way down here, maybe a quick spike. We'll see. If there's a lot of shorts, we could see a quick, if there's a lot of shorts, we could see in just a few minutes a great big candle down and then another great big candle up. And that's to basically clear out the order books and the shorts and stuff, okay? So we could see that. Could that happen? Well, yeah, you know, it's the market, right? It's the market. Like to hear your views on that. But anyway, right now XRP is interesting to me because even if we look at this, if we look at this, we have some. If we just look at this chart, okay, fine. Look at. I guess what I'm trying to say is look at this area here. Let me get this little guy out. Got the wrong thing. Okay. Change colors again so you guys can see. Look at this area right here. We could take that pattern, blow it up, and stick it here. Okay, so that's what we could be looking at. And energetically wise, I think that is actually where we're going. In the short term, I think we're going to take a dump to go down and try to find a bottom as a test, but then I think it's going to go back up, and we'll see. So I don't know, you know, where does it go? We'll see. Like to hear your views on that and what you think as far as the time frame on this. This could be, you know, a few days to get up in this area here in this range, few weeks. I really, you know, November sometime. I mean, that's about like a week and a half away, right? So we'll see. Anyway, but right now, what I'm looking for is a. This is on the 15-minute. Don't forget, I'm looking for, you know, perhaps a little dump. Maybe not down to this amount, but I'm looking for, you know, to this first red line here. Okay, that's pretty much what I'm looking at, and then I'm looking for a spike up. But this is, you know, not financial advice. This is just, guys, this is psychic energy, okay, that I'm picking up on. And if you want to follow psychic energy other than, you know, for entertainment purposes, I don't know what to tell you, but anyway, it's fun, and tell me, share what you're picking up on. As you can see, I'm not like doing really technical charting here. I'm just like drawing a bunch of lines on here, basically the energy of where I think this is going. And so it's not technical analysis by any means. Yeah, the lines might look like it's TA, but no, I'm not doing fibs or anything like that on it. Nevertheless, tell me your guys' opinion, and I'll go ahead and try to answer everyone. I'd like to keep this one real short. Just going to go check the chat real quick and see what's up. Okay, Ed says, hey, from Washington. Hey, how's it going, Edward? And that's about it. So, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll catch you later. Bye.